Good evening and welcome to the night show for today. Will be the 12th of May 2015. My name is Nanedu_. Me and Katim and the DJ of the gods, the living and the dead.
Hey! Easy only you! Jesus!
DJ of the gods, easy beat. Don't start. Take for make sure say this today's show it goes sweet well.
DJ, now, easy. So you mean say you play for the living and the dead?
And the dead.
Which time you they go cemetery? Go play.
They play for the living and the dead. Those who don't die, they call it. Where you easy?
Weekend groove.
I beg, we get events. How much you go charge? No worry, Aliyah go there.
Whitney Houston.
Whitney Houston.
Tupac.
Michael Jackson go there. Easy bit go say. I charge 500K. But tell me your budget. They go say, my brother. You sure say you want to collect our money? Nice people say, no problem, I'll come and do it for you for free. Anyway, so let's start the show today. We told yesterday, so we'll get Timi Dakolo for Inside Studio. Timi Dakolo don't be around very, very soon. Ingo catwalk like in Kiruka. Catwalk enter for Inside the Studio.
Why you be saying Kiruka? You know, any other
you get like not calling Kechi.
Oh, no, no.
Kechi from Munga, local government area of Imo State.
No call
I don't know. Are you with me?
I am with you.
Now, for Inside the China. Na China be na Japan.
Japan, Neru, no be China. Na Japan,
okay.
Japan man.
For inside the Japan, because those of now where they easy bit, those of now where they watch that film when then they wipe.
Which film?
Easy bit, those film when they watch.
Who be
They get particular color. Easy bit that film where they watch. Where be color of your shirt. So
musical film.
No, they get one film when they watch.
I like music. I like do music.
All those kind of film where you K Solo, K Moose, one are they watch. Albert, Igbet, one are they watch. That movie one that they watch. They say for inside the Japan now. Okay, for example, the name of the movie where they pornographic movies. They say men touchlighting movies, wiping movies.
No, yours leave. Don't talk wiping. They yours use any other word.
Okay, pornographic movies. Touchlighting movies.
Night play.
That Siam. Battery charging movies. Japanese porn industry hit by shortage of men. So therefore, we are doing advertisement now for Japan pornographic industry.
As we take the cue from the barber of the industry, yes. For them. The man saying don't tire, only him.
So there is no men there
70 women to 30 men.
So if you are there now, you are a available man. Make you say work no day.
No, but
don't ask what the government can do for you. Ask
what you can do for the international
government so that you will be a Nigerian citizen in diaspora.
And then you could blow anyhow for it. But you know,
I not talk blow now.
No, you go blow now. You go.
Okay, you go blow. Everybody go know you. You go be like Kim Kardashian.
Come on your mind for that side.
But you know, say that Kim Kardashian, na from Imo State she come from.
No, na from.
No. Ma tell you, see that her name Kim. Na Hakim. Hakim, daughter.
Oh.
So that name Hakim.
So you can't leave her as Kimi?
No. Now Hakim. Now she can't say no. So if she dey answer Oha, it go be like soup. So they can't come out there Oha, come the answer Kim. Wait, make I give you this. I know all these people.
Okay.
Wait, you see Jay-Z, Kanye West, all these people. Now, for example, make I start Kanye West own. Chukwu Kanye Ozobolo Western. I be name. Chukwu Kanye Ozobolo Western. Because if we answer Chukwu, it not go good. To make him funkify, now you call him Kanye. So the real pronunciation of the name not be Kanye West. Na Kanye West. Then Jay-Z is Chukwu Jeku. Chukwu Jeku Ozobolo Zeruwa. That is his real name. Chukwu Jeku Ozobolo Zeruwa. So in come out before you come the answer Jeku and the Zeruwa. Because say no. Make him Jay-Z. So now the real name where did the answer be that? Think Anyway, those of now when they be say they are now where they look for work.
What be the criteria of that work now? You never thought when
my brother.
Now when they go there,
you go bring CV.
Yeah. Until we back get the CV, waiting we go look inside the CV. Waiting we go look inside the CV.
From that one, those of them they look for work, we could go Japan now. Then from that one, we could enter another story when they say, I've been talking this money for radio.
Niru, you know, say, you get another person where they trip. You get, he name, be like say, name, that or Hakim. He trick, you know, say, la one where the news. Now, in friend, he can't send a message, say, right now, as at 6:30 p.m. today, in the redeem camp, in the co or to welcome Kulok Jonathan.
See, all these people they trek, they waste my time.
I don't know why.
I'm not even believe that guy tried to go Abuja in the first place. I don't believe it.
Maybe.
How can you trek? How can you trek?
You see how some they run these days.
20 days from Lagos to Abuja, my brother. Now, I'll mark them my face.
No, they for sure us the sell pass.
Where is sleep and in clothes where you are? I say we are. In all black, pastor I say black. In shoe,
in all dirty.
In all dirty.
You never even change clothes.
In all change clothes.
You don't say for night.
Like that.
I don't say when I say for night. In enter bus.
In a Wabiati.
No, it enter bus for night. Nobody could see him.
And then the second story, my brothers and sisters in the ministry. One pastor for Calabar.
Yeah, Neru, stop that thing.
Now Calabar now.
That point go on zero. You have Calabar. Mind yourself.
I you go 0. The thing happen for Calabar.
No, you don't Calabar pastor.
I give you the gist now.
I mean, pastor from somebody somewhere else, and I'm to make Calabar.
Now Calabar the man. Then Calabar this thing happen. So this man now he carry Bible, make he go evangelism for Brutal. Where all those girls, all those pro, I know them. Those of them where they patronize them. Those girls where they send them money for money. In fact, man just call their name prostitute to them. Where then they stay? Where all those places where you go meet them.
I don't know what you talk about.
There, pastor can't go there with him Bible. Usually, he get person where pastor they go collect wiping from. Jeez. So as pastor can't go there, make it wipe. The girl now they inside room with another person.
Okay, wait first.
Wait, now make I give the gist finish. They inside room with another person. Then the one where they available, now pastor can enter inside the girl room. As pastor enter inside the girl room, they wipe patam. If you to, then the one where the normal service provider, come outside, cause say what do you do on the right for here? What do you on the right for here?
I don't know.
Mona, come out this picture. What do you cause NDA? This NDA for this gist why they talk.
I don't know.
Remove this picture.
Continue, Yare.
Come out this picture.
Make nobody interrupt your achieve. Because
so now be him. The girl where pastor is normal service provider come outside. Now those way there side whenever say customer say pastor come say he there the other one room. Now so they enter that one room, drag pastor come outside, then begin beat pastor.
Who beat pastor?
They begin beat him.
Why they go beat him?
Then the vex say why he go live in normal service provider? They go collect from another network.
Service provider DBC. Okay, so they won't tell me.
Now they beat this man. Go, pastor. The man they shout, I'm a man of God. Leave me alone. Thou shalt not touch my prophet. Acquire. Boom.
Any question against me cannot prosper.
This one prosper.
If he go church now, what do you go tell people say happen to him?
Now the matron, I be of the brothel. Now I can save the pastor. Men of God, please. Pity us.
Be careful where you enter to do your administration. Do your administration in the daytime.
What in the pay pass the man carrying Bible go?
No.
Anyway, make we go small chicken you break for here. Make we go market easily go. When we come back, Timi Dakolo go just sit down for inside studio. When they come back.